So.
Right. Go ahead.
To get from 1 to 3, you have to add 2. To get from 3 to 7, you have to add 4. I don't know if you can see this or not, but to get from 7 to 15, you have to add 8. 16, and 32, and 64, then 128. So it looks like to get from number to number, like to get from the first number to the second number, you have to add this number, 2 to this number. Gets you there, because 2 squared is 4. So to get from the first number to the 12th number, you have to add 1 plus 2 to the 1 plus 2 squared plus all the way up to 2 to the 11th.
All right.
But what is that? I guess you could say that would be 2 to the 0, but this is what it is, but how do we evaluate that?
Good question.
Because you can't add up the powers of 2, since you're not multiplying. I mean, you could factor out some 2's, but I don't know that that would do you any good.
Well, you have a 1 in the beginning also.
Yeah, but that you could write that as 2 to the 0.
Okay. And how many 2's could you then factor out?
That is 0 2's.
0 2's.
I'm just gonna carry on with my plan to find this and see what I can do with this a little later.
Okay.
So, add 256. So that gets you to 511. Then add 512.
How'd you get 4095? Actually, don't lean over like that. How'd you get 4095?
It's 2047 plus 2048.
Okay.
So that gets to 405.
Okay, good.
So actually, this is 1 less than 2 to the 12th. This pattern was a little complicated, but this pattern is easier.
What did you say this pattern equaled?
So it was, I think it was 1.
No. This. What did you say this was?
Oh, that's 2 to the 12th minus 1.
2 to the 12th minus 1. Okay. And what were they asking you to find? Do you remember the question?
I think it was the number of leaves on the ground.
Nope. How many leaves fell in the 12th minute?
Oh, then 2,048 leaves fell.
Alright. Okay. How did you figure that out?
So you get from the 11th minute to the 12th minute. These are the ends of the minutes when all the leaves have fallen.
Okay.
So during the 12th minute, 2,048 leaves fell.
Alright, and how do you figure out how many leaves fall in each minute then?
Well, it's the number of leaves on the ground at the start of the minute plus 1.
Okay.
So that's 2048 at the 12th minute.
Alright. How about at the 24th?
Well, So during the 24th minute, well, and that means I need to figure out how many there were at the start of the 23rd minute.
Okay.
I mean, at the end of the 23rd minute.
All right. Well, let's go on to our third one here.